Segment 1. Genetics and Evolutionary Theory. Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm excited to take you on a fascinating journey into the biology of aging. Aging is a universal process we all experience, but have you ever wondered what happens inside our bodies as we grow older? Today, we're going to delve into that mystery. Our first stop is the world of our genes. Just as a blueprint guides a builder, our genes guide much of our development and functioning. But when it comes to aging, things get a little complex. Scientists believe that our genetic makeup plays a crucial role in longevity. Certain genes promote a longer life, while others might limit it. Longevity could be due to genes that better equip someone to withstand a disease. Meanwhile, some genes may accelerate the rate of aging, while others may slow it down. But how do researchers study these genes? They compare genetic variants in individuals who live longer with those who have an average or shorter lifespan. For example, they've identified genes potentially associated with blood fat levels and cholesterol, risk factors for coronary disease and early death. The fascinating thing is that it's likely a combination of many genes that affect the rate of aging, creating a rich tapestry of interaction that we're still trying to understand. Now, let's take a step back and look at aging from the perspective of the entire species. This brings us to the evolutionary theory of aging. This theory is based on the principle of natural selection. Essentially, it suggests that genes associated with aging, such as those for Alzheimer's disease, don't appear until after an individual has passed their main reproductive years. Consequently, natural selection has not been able to eliminate these damaging disorders from our gene pool. So, these disorders, unfortunately, continue to be a part of our genetic heritage. This concludes the first part of our journey, where we've taken a look at the role of our genes and evolutionary processes in aging. Segment 2. Cellular Clock Theory and DNA Damage. As we embark on the second part of our journey, we delve deeper into our cells and explore the intriguing cellular clock theory. This theory suggests that biological aging happens because our cells can't divide indefinitely. This phenomenon is known as the Hayflick limit. Researchers have observed that cells in a lab setting divide about 40 to 60 times before they stop. But what causes them to stop? The answer lies at the end of each chromosomal strand in a sequence of DNA called a telomere. With each cell division, the telomere gets shorter. Once it becomes too short, the cell either stops replicating, dies, or continues to divide and become abnormal. This shift in cellular behavior, from beneficial to detrimental, is a captivating puzzle that scientists are still working to solve. Our journey wouldn't be complete without discussing the effects of DNA damage on aging. Over time, our DNA, the blueprint of life, accumulates damage. Normally, our cells repair this damage, keeping the machinery of life running smoothly. But some damage can't be repaired and remains in our DNA. As this damage accumulates with age, it can cause cells to deteriorate and malfunction. Factors that can damage DNA include ultraviolet radiation, cigarette smoking, and exposure to hydrocarbons, like car exhaust and coal. The accumulated, unrepaired damage is believed to be a significant part of aging, and it's a reminder of how our environment and lifestyle choices can have profound impacts on our biological aging process. That brings us to the end of our journey today, exploring the fascinating biology of aging. We've journeyed from the broad landscape of our genes to the intricate world of our cells, discovering how these elements work together to create the aging process we all experience. But remember, research on aging is a vibrant and constantly evolving field. Every day, scientists are unraveling more secrets about why and how we age. And who knows? In the future, we may be able to apply this knowledge to extend our health and vitality even as we grow older. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember, every day is a gift, and growing older is a privilege denied to many. Let's appreciate the complex beauty of aging, and continue to seek understanding and knowledge. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.